I want to introduce you to a person I met many years ago. His name is Ryan. The thing you should know about Ryan is that he wants to be everyone's friend, and I mean everyone's friend. The one unique thing about Ryan is that at a young age, about 2, he was diagnosed with Asperger's. If anyone knows someone on the spectrum, they know that can be socially isolating. He doesn't understand their social interactions, and sometimes people see how he interacts and then they don't want to engage with him. In junior high, he tried to make a bunch of friends by walking around saying, "Hey, my name's Ryan. Hey, my name's Ryan. Hey, my name's Ryan." But no one wanted to be his friend. He got bullied and called offensive names. He had a horrible junior high experience. But he graduated and went on to high school, and he thought, high school, this is it. This is where I'm going to make all the friends I've wanted to make. I mean, who doesn't think about this idea of wanting to start a new chapter in their life? So Ryan gets to high school and he walks in his first week there and he's like, "Hey, my name's Ryan. Hey, my name's Ryan. Hey, my name's Ryan." But again, no one wanted to be his friends. The bullying, the name calling. His first week, he's sitting there in the cafeteria by himself. And this is what he told me. He said, "At the time, all my attempts to make friends failed. And in the process, I was called several offensive names. I felt as if the world didn't give a damn about." I thought, man, here's a fellow student. No, here's a fellow human being who's calling out to make those social connections. And there he is, all by himself. The scary thing about that at the university level is that 30% of students drop out or transfer first year. And the number one reason they drop out is because of some big life event. Their family moved, financial situation, health situation, something we can't control. But the number 2 reason that someone might drop out is because they don't feel socially connected to the institution. If you are a campus leader, if you are a leader of any organization, that's something we control. And there's Ryan all by himself. But you know, there's another stat that's scary. 1 in 10 college freshmen will attempt suicide. 1 in 10. And there's Ryan, all by himself, calling out for that social connection. The good news is our story doesn't go in that direction because there were 2 students named Kevin and Samir. Kevin and Samir understood this concept of look for the students who are on the edge and pull them in towards the center. In dance floor theory, we call it being the spatula, where you go to the edge, you scoop the people and you mix them up with other people to help build the social interactions. Kevin and Samir went over to Ryan and they said, "Hey, my name's Kevin. Hey, my name's Samir. What's your name?" "Ryan. Ryan, nice to meet you." They got him laughing. They got him smiling. They got him lifted up. They brought him over to their friend group and helped him make the friends he's wanted to make his whole life. At the time, this is what Ryan said to me. He said, "Their selfless moment of kindness brought me down a better path in my life." Selfless. If you're in a leadership position, you're going to get tons of training on the technical work you do. But if all we do is focus on the technical work, we forget the human side. The human side is when we make everyone in our community feel so welcome, so connected, so engaged. That's what's going to increase the retention rates. That's what's going to increase the engagement rates. Kevin and Samir went over to Ryan and they brought him in. They had a human-to-human moment with Ryan. So I'm here to tell you, in your world, in your community, if you are a leader, look for the Ryans. Bring them in with your leadership skills and mix them up with your 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s on your dance floor and watch the retention rates go up, watch the engagement rates go up. My name's Tom. I'm helping you to engage the people on your dance floor. Till next time.